Hello, today I'm unboxing Godzilla and Kong, the New Empire. Here is the front cover. Looks awesome. I have yet to see this movie, but it looks good. There's the spine. I'll show you guys the back. Some special features there. If you guys would like to pause this and read it, you can. Same with right there. Some nice shots of the movie. Fight together or face extinction. Let me know if you guys have seen this movie and if you like it in the comments. There's the front again. Here's the spine and the back. I'll open this up. There's the Blu-ray with a thing for a book, I think. Yeah, for a graphic novel. That's cool. A game, I guess. Cool. The disc is nice. And there's my unboxing of Godzilla and Kong. If you guys like this video, leave a like and a comment. I hope you guys have a great night.